Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haspan Wijaya Pratama. I'm from class A Information System. Okay, this is practicum luas decision tree. Okay, this is the import library. In this section of codes, we are setting up all the essential tools needed for data analysis using machine learning. We'll use pandas to read and organize data, usually a CSV file. Then train test split to split the data into one part for training the model, the other for testing. Uh, then we also use the decision tree classifier to create a classification model with a decision tree. This is a load data set. This line means that we open or read the CSV file IPDN 2024 CSV regression data and save in context into a variable named df. This def variable will later become a data table that we can process, analyze, or train into a model. This is the electron with blank values in column UOP. This line means we are removing all round data was OOP column is empty. So, for example, if a registrant has an empty or OOP column, that row will be removed from the dataset. This is a label encoding for categorical column. Here we are converting data that was originally in the form into number because the machine learning model cannot literally understand words like Mel and Papua. Yes, no. So everything encoded using a label encoding. This is define features and targets. Well, this is the part to products input and output. XX feature, a variable used for prediction, namely gender, district, and profile. Y is the target label, namely the UOP column that we want to predict. This split data into training and testing. Here are the steps to divide the data into two parts. 18% is used to train the model X train, Y train. The remaining 20% is from testing how good the model is X test, Y test. This is a share to that we can know whether the model can actually predict new data, not just memory old data. This is initialize and train decision tree model. Decision tree model. This is a output decision tree classification random state 42. This is a part, thing, crucial. We are the decision tree model and the tree train fit is using the data train. This is a prediction and evaluation. After the model train is now used to predict testing data X test, the predict results are stored in YPRED, then compared with the original data YTest to see the performance. The evaluation result display in the form of precision, recall, scores, and support. Okay, last this is a visualization. Uh, three decision. This is the uh, pohon keputusan. The code above is used to display the decision tree from the trained model. Plot tree is used to draw a classification tree based on the features of a gender, district, and profile, as well as the predict result. Again, what target the color in each box notes in indication that dominant class in that node. Each node provides information on the amount of data, the level of data quality, and the model decision at the point. Okay, this is a ag- agglomerative hierarchical clustering (AHC). This is import library. This is an import library. Okay, like we did the being import the library first. This is a load dataset. Read the CSV file and save into df variable. This will be the main data table that will be analyzed later. This is select the column to be used for clustering def clustering. Uh, will will only the three import column for clustering: gender, district, city, and the profile province. We'll copy them into the div clustering variable to keep the original data instead. This is a label encoding for categorical data. Since the model can process that directly, we convert a categorical value to number, male to or female to 1. All columns are encoding. Use label encoding. This is a check data sample. We'll only use 2000 data points from entry dataset to keep the the diagram from become to Berkeley when visualists use the data point can make the result different to read. Okay, this is the step in the calculate the relationship distance between data that will be used to create a diagram. Okay, and next there is a visualization diagram. Uh, this line create the diagram with the tree that show the whole data is graduation commit the AHC profession. Like the result of linked metric from the previous step. Orientation top man the tree is updated row. Decision 4 is discarding short branch from the further distance. So left control display the number of data in or and branch. This diagram help you determine the ideal number of cluster. Okay, this is perform clustering on all data. Here we actually run the clustering process for the data, not use the sample. And cluster tree means you are asking the model to create three groups of string. With predict directly train the model and generate cluster labels for add data. The result are stored in class with the context class number. This is add cluster result to origin data frame. This code is used the add cluster result to the origin data div by create new column name cluster is value is failed in failed from the cluster variable that previously constrained. And this is display to first 10 data and train cluster. This section will display the first 10 row the data frame with add cluster column specifically the gender, district, province, and the result cluster. This is useful for pick at the cluster context and identifying pattern shown as when data from arbitrary province and region tend to fall into the same cluster. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.